Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 DNS server not responding error. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click More Network Adapter Options. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check use the following DNS server addresses. 888888844. Second method is click search icon, type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, int space, IP space, reset. netsh space, winsock space, reset. ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.